Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This video will show you about excavator. Excavator, the backbone of modern road construction project. Road construction play a crucial role in infrastructure development. Each most modern installation require advanced heavy-duty machinery to ensure efficiency and precision with the building new highway, widening existing road or repairing the make one. Among the heavy equipment used in construction project, one stand out the most excavator, the backbone of modern road construction. An excavator is a construction machine designed for digging, earth moving, and other critical tasks involved in modern road construction. It equipped with a boom, an arm, a hydraulic system, and a bucket. The component have gone a long way from cross manufacturing, but they still work as follow. The boom connects the machine arm to its body. The arm or dipper allow for reaching different height and depth. The hydraulic system provide power and control. The bucket is an attachment at the end of the arm. Excavator come in different type and size to address specific job. Equipment. The latter is often determined by weight, usually measured in metric ton. There are also different brands such as Caterpillar, Komatsu, and Kato excavator. Yes. What are the use of excavator in modern road construction? Excavator provide much of the hard muscle need in road development project. Their versatility contribute to the overall efficiency and progress of modern road construction. Here are some of the critical functions of excavator in road construction. Earthwork and excavation. Excavators are primarily used for digging and excavation, fitting soil, rock, and other material from the ground. They can remove large volume of earth quickly and efficiently, creating a trend or foundation for road construction within minutes. Trenching and the neck excavator are used to dig trenches for a drainage system including stormwater drain, culvert, and underground pipe. They can excavate and shape channel to facilitate uh, proper water flow and prevent flooding or waterlogging issue in road construction. Clearing and grabbing side worker can use them to clear vegetation, tree and other obstruction from the construction site. They can remove stump, rock and debris to prepare the ground for road development and maintenance activity. Grading and leveling. Equipped with grading attachment such as blade or bucket with grading teeth, the machine can level and grade the road. They can split and distribute material like soil, gravel, or asphalt evenly, ensuring a smooth and properly aligned road surface. Material handling excavator can lift and move heavy material required for road construction such as concrete, pipe, precast component and large construction equipment. They can load and upload material efficiently, improving productivity and uh, reducing manual labor. Demolition. In case we are exciting structure or building need to be demolished to make way for road construction, excavators are used to tear down and remove debris it can handle, whereas demolition tasks such as tearing concrete, removing wall and clearing the site. Utility work. Excavators are involved in installing and maintaining utility alongside road, such as water and sewage pipeline, electrical cable, and telecommunication infrastructure. They can dig trend for utility line and assist in fixing and repairing the system. Slope stabilization. Excavator can create slope and uh, embankment along road for stability and erosion control. It can shape the terrain, cut and fill slope, and build a retaining wall to provide support and prevent soil erosion. Those are some of the primary functions of excavator in modern road construction. Uh, Excavators are highly versatile machines that contribute to various stage of the construction progress, enhancing efficiency and productivity on strict time able. What are the different types of excavator and their function? There are several different types of excavator uh, designed for a specific application and function in construction project. Below are some you might want to know and that they can do. 1. Crawler excavator. Crawler is the most common type of excavator used in road construction. Unlike other that run on well, crawler excavator used to caterpillar like track to move back and forth. This design offers several advantages. Stability. The track undercarriage provides stability and uh, traction, allowing the excavator to navigate challenging terrain, include soft or uh, uneven surface. Maneuverability. The crawler track enabled it to move smoothly and precisely in tight space and restrict job size, allowing it to rotate 360 degree in place. Traction. The track offers excellent traction, which is particularly beneficial when working on slippery or inclined surface such as a slope or muddy area. Weight distribution. The track have distributed the machine weight, reducing the ground pressure exerted by the excavator and the risk of sinking into soft ground. However, the caterpillar-like track make crawler excavator slower than other well machines as such they are commonly used in large-scale construction projects such as road and infrastructure development and mining. Their robust design, stability, and mobility make them essential tool for efficient and productive earth-moving operation. 2. Well excavator. Well excavator are similar to crawler in terms of size and appearance, however, they run on well instead of caterpillar-like track. Hence, the name. This makes them faster and allow them to move easy on asphalt, concrete, and other flat surface. Below are some features of the machine. Mobility. Well excavator can travel at higher speed compared to crawler excavator. This makes them highly suitable for projects that require frequent relocation. Maneuverability. With their four-wheel, uh, the excavator offers superb uh, maneuverability, allowing them to navigate tight space and confined work area easily. Versatility. Well excavator are versatile machines suitable for various applications such as digging, trenching, loading, material handling, and light demolition. Stability. They may not provide the same level of stability as crawler on roads or soft terrain, but they exceptionally stable during operation. Well, excavator may have limitations when operating in challenging terrain compared to crawler excavator. However, their mobility, maneuverability, versatility, and stability make them valuable assets in many construction projects. 3. Mini excavator. A mini excavator or a mini digger is a small excavator designed to perform like moderate excavator tasks. They typically weigh between 1 to 6 metric ton and are known for their compact size and conceptual maneuverability. Here are some features of mini excavator. Compactness. This allows them to access tight space and navigate through narrow pathway, making them suitable for projects with limited working area. Versatility. Many excavators are versatility machines. They can be equipped with a bucket for digging, hydraulic breaker for light demolition, and auger for drilling holes. Uh, Maneuverability. Mini excavators are highly uh, maneuverable, allowing them to work efficiently in crowd area or near obstacle without damaging surrounding objects. Digging power. Mini excavators are smaller but possess uh, significant digging power, allowing them to excavate soil, dig trench, and perform other tasks efficiently. Ease of transportation. Mini excavator can be loaded uh, onto trailer or truck, allowing for convenient movement between job sites. Operator comfort. Mini excavator feature ergonomic control, adjustable seating, and improve visibility, ensuring operators are comfortable while working. Reduce environment impact. Mini excavator are equipped with fall efficient engine, reducing ground pressure and minimizing potential damage to the work area. Due to their versatility, maneuverability, and compact size, mini excavators are popular choice in a wide range of applications. These include residential construction, landscaping, utility installation, trending, and small-scale road development project. 4. Long reach excavator. As its name implies, long reach excavator feature a long arm and a boom section. They allow the machine to operate and access hard to reach area. This extendable arm can stretch up to 100 feet vertically or horizontally. Aside from extend reach, below are some notable features of long reach excavator. Increase digging depth. The excavator extend boom and enable them to reach greater depth, making them suitable for excavation projects that require digging deep drain pit or foundation. Enhance vertical or horizontal reach. Long reach excavator excel in application that require working over obstacle or body or water. They can reach across barrier while maintaining stability and providing a safe working environment. Versatility. Long reach excavator are commonly employed in projects involving dredging river or canal, maintenance, slope shaping, and deep excavation. Stability and balance. Long reach excavator often have an additional counterweight to offset the weight of the long boom and arm. This ensure stability and balance during operation, even when working at the machine maximum reach. Long reach excavator are essential in projects that require extended reach, such as deep excavator and breeding. Their specialized design make them value tool for completing tasks that standard excavator cannot reach. 5. Dragline excavator. Dragline excavator operate in a different way compared to other type. They use a hoist rope system attached to a bucket through a coupler. The other side is fixed to a dragline which run from the cave to the bucket. Here are some key features and characteristics of dragline excavator. Long boom and cable system. The boom is mounted on a large rotating platform called the receiving frame. Meanwhile, the cable system allows the operator to raise or lower the bucket and swing it to different positions for excavation. Large excavation capacity. Dragline excavators are known for their impressive excavation capacity. They can handle massive volumes of earth, rock, and other material in a single scoop, making them highly efficient for bulk excavator. Deep excavation. Those excavators are particularly effective for deep excavation projects. The long boom enables them to reach significant depth, making them suitable for mining, mineral digging deep trench, and gritting large open pit mine. Crawling mechanisms. They often have a crawling mechanism on the lower section to move the machine across the work site. They consist of large track or crawler so that provide stability and mobility on road terrain. High lifting capacity. The machines are designed to have substantial lifting capacity. They can lift and move heavy load, including overburden, topsoil, and rocks. It mining operation or other large object encounter during excavation. Dragline excavator play a vital role in surface structure project require extensive excavation and material handling. Their impressive size and capacity make them essential tool for extracting material and performing large-scale excavation tasks. What are the common excavator attachments? A excavator can be equipped with various attachments to perform a wide range of tasks. Some common one include the following bucket. These are used for excavation, loading, and material handling tasks. Hydraulic braking, the brick and demolish concrete structure, rock, or hard surface. Auger, these are used for drilling hole in the ground. They essential for fan post installation, foundation peeling, or uh, utility pole placement. Uh, grapple, people use them to handle and sort material such as long rocks, debris, or scrap. Ripper, those are used for breaking up hard surface, compact soil, or frozen ground. Tiro rotator, thus advanced attachment provide 360 uh, degree rotation to the excavator or the attachment, allowing the operator to position them at different angles. Compactor, as the name implies, are used to compact gravel, soil, and aspect surface that have ensure a stable and durable road. These are some of the most common excavator attachments used in different industries. The choice of attachment depends on the task, terrain, condition, and project requirement. Excavator technology advancement in modern road construction. Excavator technology has evolved significantly over the year, incorporating advanced feature and innovation to enhance productivity and efficiency in road project. Below are some notable ones: GPS and telematic uh, integration. Excavator now integrate GPS and telematic system, allowing for precise positioning, navigation, and monitoring of the machine movement. This technology enable operator to work more accurately, follow design plan precisely, and optimize productivity. Intelligent machine control. Some excavator have smart control systems that use advanced sensor and automation to enhance the machine precision and efficiency. The system enable semi autonomous autonomous or fully autonomous operation, reducing human error. Fuel efficiency and emission reduction. Manufacturers have made significant strides in improving the fuel efficiency of the excavator while reducing emission. In technology contribute to a greener and more sustainable construction industry. Enhance operator comfort and safety. Modern excavator feature or ergonomic operator cabin with improved visibility, reduced noise, and enhanced comfort, thus promote the well-being of the operation of the working in the vicinity. Attachment versatility. Excavator now offer enhanced attachment compatibility, allowing quick and easy interchange ability of various tools. The facility enable excavator to perform multi- multiple tasks, reducing the need for additional machinery on the construction site. Thus, advancement in excavator technology have uh, revolutionized road construction projects, improving accuracy, productivity, and safety as it continues to evolve. You may expect further innovation that enhance the uh, capability of those machines, making them even more efficient and effective in road construction uh, application. Upfront investment. Excavator are unobtrusively the backbone of modern road construction project. With their uh, versatility, they contribute significantly to the efficiency, precision, and safety of road development, given the significant investment those machine impression and the critical nature of excavation work. Many constructors protect their operation with uh, imprehensive excavator contractor insurance to safeguard action potential risk and uh, liability that come with operating heavy machinery. From reaching and getting to material link and slope stabilization. Excavator perform crucial tasks that lay the foundation for well-built and durable road. As technology evolves, expect excavator to become even more efficient and integrate into the evolving landscape of construction. Yes. Okay, audio. Thank you very much for your time and please try your works good and Wish you all success in your work all year. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.